So I'm gonna try cutting this dead branch into pieces. This is not a really good saw. It's quite fragile. So this is the only thing I got. Alright, let's see. It's gonna take a while. I wished I wore my snow pants on. Yeah. It's not wide enough, so it's hard for me to just cut it in half. I'm gonna start a fire and then go back and try to chop up some firewood. Before that, I'm gonna be very lazy. Instead of using a flint and steel, I'm gonna use fire resistant matches. So I'm gonna cheat by using one of these. Yeah, it's getting dark. It's getting colder and it started snowing. These are relatively dry. Thank God. See my breath? Now it's getting colder. It does have a really bad smell, so that's why I'm doing this. Oh my God, the smell, bro. Put it inside. So I'm just gonna stack them up. It's nice and yeah. It's getting colder. Oh. Oh, it's frozen. Everything is, oh my God. I'm just gonna put it here. Let it melt for now. It's good because I was having a problem with the furnace over here. I couldn't attach the pipe to the furnace because it was I think it was frozen and it shrunk, so it was causing a massive problem. So I was concerned if this what's it called, the smoke might spread out from here, but it turns out it's not. So it's a good news. Yeah, it's working just fine. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, I'm starting to shiver. My God. I couldn't open the lid of the bottle. Again, it's frozen. So I'm gonna put it on the stove as well. This is obviously getting frozen. The sound of the ice. So put it besides as well. Besides the furnace. I think it's alright. So I'm gonna go outside, chop up some wood. We're gonna need tons of them. Ooh, ooh, I gotta get moving. Otherwise, I'm gonna freeze to death. We can do this. Yeah. Get the oxygen going inside and feed the fire. Once the branches start catches fire, then we should be okay. I want to hear those nice cracking sound. Alright, let's go outside. We need more. Like a lot. Lots of them. Well, my headlamp is not working. I think it's too cold outside and it froze the battery. And the only thing I have is this, which is very dim. I thought it was quite bright. Probably you guys can see me. But I think I'm gonna just carry on recording. I'm all the way up here. I'm gonna cook sort of Mongolian cuisine, also known as banshtatsa. So this means like dumpling with milk tea. So I showed you guys what is milk tea earlier. So now I'm gonna show you guys what is dumpling with milk tea. So milk tea, this same concept applies, but this time we will eat it with dumplings. Dumpling filled with beef. I know that some Asian countries, they like to fill their dumplings with pork, chives, cabbages, but Mongolia, we don't do that. We mainly consume beef and mutton. That's our main meat consumption. Other than that, once in a while, depending on the person, they might consume other animals. Oh yay! We got lights. Yep. Yeah, this is my setup. It's quite messy, but yeah, this is my sleeping bag, my bag, bunch of firewood. I'm cooking over here, and fire. Just a bunch of random stuff. I know. Kind of messy over here. So dumpling. Banshtatsa. So once this boils, when I add the milk over there, I just added a bunch of dumplings, frozen dumplings. You see? Hey. So we're gonna cook this and then we're consuming it. It's gonna be delicious. Surviving alone it's a challenge, but surviving with the camera, it's another challenge. Spread it out. Woo, it's hot. I didn't realize this was caught on fire. I just put it beside the furnace and it was making mess. It was so smoky. I was afraid that it was coming out from the pipe and the furnace. And it turns out, I checked it out, this was making a mess. So gotta be careful. If you put something underneath it, you might burn it. Yeah, boy. Gotta be careful. You don't want to get roasted. So no more videos. If I get roasted, no more videos. Wow, this is scorching hot. Oh wow. Wow, this ring. Hold on. Oh yeah, yellow light is even better. This ring is don't mess with this ring. Oh, I think it's boiling. Woo! Boiling. Boy, oh boy, it's boiling. Let it boil for like 10 minutes. Let the dumplings cook. Looking good. It's roaring. This is boiling. I'm just chilling here on the foam. And gotta eat something. Put something in my belly and I'll be very happy. Smells good. Now I can smell the dumpling. Which means it's getting cooked. Getting done. Yeah, gotta wear my hat. It looks like a horror movie, right? Yeah, I hope I don't encounter any wild dogs today. I'm eating the jerky. This is yak jerky, which is quite peculiar. I've never had yak jerky in my life before. At least in this form, like. Jerky in Mongolia tends to be like flaky. Not like this. Like chunky. Not like this. This looks like how do you call it? Like meat, right? But Mongolians, we don't consume it like that. Instead, we make it like make it very flaky, or not like this in a cubical form. And it doesn't taste like this as well. This is I think it enhances flavors. Quite salty. All right. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. I'm gonna try one dumpling. Alright, that's how it looks like. I think you guys can see it. And I'm gonna try it. Hot. Oh wow. Wow. Delicious. It's a little bit soupy, so you gotta be careful. On point. For me to move freely, it's quite limited. You see, it's quite limited. My feet are like this. I think they are getting wet. My feet are frozen. Definitely frozen. I can't feel them. I can move them, but I can't feel them. Milk tea is good. Whoa, you saw that? That soup inside the dumpling just burst out. Well, when you're doing outdoor camping or just camping, casual camping, this is one of the go-to food. You have to eat one of these. And the other food is, it's mainly turung, which I'm gonna cook in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Whoa! Look inside the meat and the soup. You see the soup? Yes, the sparkling thing. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy myself, and I think you guys will see me in my sleeping bag very soon. See you guys. Alright, I'm going outside. I'm gonna get more wood from the outside. I think I should have done it earlier. Oh my god. It's pitch black. Ooh. I just brought in 2 branches. One over there, one over here. So I can stack up my firewood. And this should be enough for the whole until I sleep. It's better to be prepared than to be sorry. This I will use it during the night, or most likely in the morning. It's because it's easy to start. Alright guys. It's getting colder and colder. I can definitely feel it. My headlamp just died. My power bank, I think, is just frozen, so it's not working at all. This is what I see. This is the weather for tomorrow. It's minus 16 daytime and minus 31 daytime in Ulaanbaatar city. Like I said, today is minus 33 in UB City, and here, I don't know, probably below minus 33. Foam flashlight. So I got my sleeping bag. This is goose down. I gotta unpack it for the goose down sleeping bag to function properly. You need to let it rest so it can inflate. When it becomes puffy, then you can do the magic. Keeps you warm. Furnace is on, but the hot air, according to physics, it floats upwards, but cold air stays on the ground. So the ground, this surface level around here is just freezing cold. It takes a while. Just keep shaking it, shaking it. Just keep shaking it, shaking it. The trees are making a sound. Alright, I'm going to my bed. I got out again to take a piss and as well to check out the weather. You don't want to go outside. So you see this? It's quite funny. Funny looking boots. Just like this. Just like this. Clown boots. I'm wearing 2 layers of socks underneath it. One is yak wool, the other one is sheep wool, I think. Okay, everything is getting frosty now. Even the tent. This is quite unfortunate. I made a hole over there. Oh, my feet are numb. Oh. It's cold. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. This is broken. Wow, it's too many problems. But anyways, guys, I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning. It's currently 7 a.m. 6:85. Can you see it on the screen? 6:85. I was shivering in my sleeping bag, so I had to wake up. I had to move, and I started a fire. Also, I needed to take a piss, so I think it's best if I just get up. The condensation is everywhere. The tent. See the tent? Even my sleeping bag. I feel like a zombie now. I didn't sleep at all. Alright, guys, I'm gonna make myself a little bit warm and probably have some breakfast. So with my clown boots. Made a difference. For breakfast, I brought a sausage. White sausages. White sausage. Hear that sound? Oh. A little bit frosty, but it should be fine. Oh, wow! I smell the sausages. It's getting cooked inside. It's fresh air. The sound of trees and birds tweeting each other, making a sound. Let's look at it. Yep. Alright, I think the tour was successful. I didn't freeze to death. No animals so far. No dogs. Although I see trails. I'm not sure if it's mine or not. So many trails. Could be anything. Alright, I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast now. Woo! The white sausages! Look at that. This one blew up. I'm just gonna go savage. Go savage like this. Mmm. Wow. I can taste a bit smoky flavor. We love meat. Mongolians, we consume meat every day. I'm just felt like I'm doing in a mukbang video where people just sit in front of the camera and just start eating. It's not a mukbang. This is survival camping. This is the yak jerky that I was talking about. 100% grass-fed. Yak has stronger flavor than beef. So when you make soup or it contains more fat, it's more flavorful. It's zestier compared to beef. And I like it. I'm gonna finish my breakfast and unpack everything and see you guys soon. Finally, sun rises. It's just beautiful. I'm started unpacking. Done with the furnace. Yeah. I'm pretty much done unpacking, except the tent. Pack my tent up now. Show you guys something. This is where I slept. Made a mark. Just melted all the snow. This is the tent. This is the stake. I'm gonna unstick it and back it up. Wow. Oh, this pole is frozen. And I touched it with my bare hand. Alright, tent is done. I forgot this. Alright guys. I'm fully packed. I'm ready to roll. This is where I stayed last night. Didn't sleep well. But I survived. It was minus 35. Alright, I'm gonna head back. Go home, take a shower and just take a rest and enjoy my day. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. If you would like to see more content like this, comment down below. See you guys.